Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to join or start a meeting in Google Meet quickly and easily. First of all, open the Google Meet on your phone and make sure your device is connected to the internet. After you open, this interface will open in your Google Meet, as you can see. Then to join a meeting, tap join with a code. At the top you will see the code option. Click on code and enter the code and simply hit join. You can now join the meeting that you have provided the code, or you can click the link that you have provided by someone, your teacher or your professor. Now to start your own meeting, tap the new meeting. At the below you will see the new option, create a new, and here you can create a link and provide to the respective teacher, respective student or someone, and you can schedule a Google Meet class from the Google Calendar for the later meeting. Now in meeting controls, during the meeting you can mute/unmute your mic, turn off video and on, share your screen and use the chat. Tap the screen to access all controls like raising your hands, and that's it. Now you know how to meet in Google Meet easily. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.